Well, here we are.
Here we are. This lighting is perfect for my face. I love it.
Testing out our Sea to Summit in the real deal here at Lake Superior, Isle Royale National Park.
We got our little ponchos on. It started raining just right as we were finishing packing up. So.
Yeah, so it's pouring the rain. We're going to hike and we're going to wear our ponchos and try it out. We'll give a report on how well they do.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Right. Okay.
All right.
Tying up my shoes here.
Lynn's got her blue Sea to Summit poncho. Here we are at the campsite getting ready to walk in the rain, trying out our new ponchos.
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
Whoa.
We have about, I don't know, we're going to do about 6 miles today over to Chippewa Harbor on Isle Royale. And the boat will pick us up tomorrow. So I think it's going to be a rainy day all day today. How's everybody feeling?
I feel good.
Hey, I feel great.
I'm ready to go.
All right.
It's not going to be too hot today.
No.
Feeling good. Here we're field testing at Isle Royale, our Sea to Summit rain poncho,
Nano seal.
So the nano seal, and we're checking it out, and man, it is working great. Totally dry, and we were in a drenching,
really downpour.
rain.
For a while, I don't know, 40 minutes or something. I mean, downpour.
Yeah, 50 minutes. Yeah.
And I'm comfortable. I'm drying here, and it's not so hot, so I feel really good.
It's lighter. It's cool.
And our biggest thing is to keep that pack dry. Is our biggest.
Yes, and you can see how fashionable it is to wear one. It looks cool. All right.
We like it.